This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today, we're going to discuss UnitedHealthcare, Google, the 5 largest market cap stocks, and a couple other stories. We come to you daily with short business and market insight episodes. We're constantly trying to test the quality of the content and the quality of the sound. So if you're the first person to text Scott Becker today at 773-766-5322 with your comments on the sound quality, we'll go ahead and send you a $50 gift certificate. We'd also like your comments on the content as well. So here's the several stories we're following today. First, UnitedHealthcare getting crushed. It's down about 18 to 20% early today. We'll see if that lasts, but that's basically based on a projection that they expect revenues to be down next year, year over year, by about 2%. Second, Alphabet Google remains on fire. It's up about 70% over the last 6 months. It's now the second largest company by market cap. Third, as long as we're talking the big market cap stocks, we'll list them and name them. Here's the 5 largest U.S. market cap stocks. Nvidia, number 1 at $4.53 trillion. Alphabet, number 2 at $4.04 trillion. And as we discussed, Alphabet's up about 70% over the last 6 months. Third is Apple at $3.78 trillion. Apple's down about 9% year to date. They're going to have earnings released this Thursday, I believe. So we'll see what happens with Apple. Fourth, Microsoft at about $3.51 trillion in market cap. And finally, Amazon, which is number 2 in revenues, is number 5 in market cap at $2.78 trillion. Now, a couple notes on these companies. Amazon just announced that they're going to cut about 16,000 jobs, which amounts to nearly 1% of the workforce. B of A says that Nvidia remains a great investment. So we'll see if that remains the case. A couple of the quick notes today. The markets rose yesterday. Midday today, they remain up. So we'll see if that continues. And finally, the last story I'll talk about this morning is Intel Corporation continues its correction and drops another nearly 6% yesterday. It's still up more than 100% over the last year, but dropped again yesterday. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We hope you enjoy this. We hope you find it helpful. Thank you for listening. Please go online to Amazon and pre-order our latest book, Building Great Businesses, Create Momentum, Overcome Setbacks, and Scale with Confidence. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very, very much.